I'll tell you what, people, man, it's freaking windy as frick out now, man. We're getting pounded with wind. I mean, to tell you, they weren't bullshitting. Like today earlier, you could tell that the sky was swirling. It was making that swirl type of motion, man. You can see it on the satellite. I think we're headed for some really, really, really hefty times. I wouldn't be surprised if we wake up tomorrow and see some damage. I mean, it's windy, man. Woo! And it's cold. I better take my signs in so they don't get blown out. Yeah. It's fucking windy. Big time. Grab my signs at least, you know. It's freaking so windy. I can't believe how windy it is, man. I mean, my house is shaking. And I think we had an earthquake. For sure. Because we're right now magnetically connected to the coronal hole of the South Pole of the sun. For sure. Yep. The sun's what controls our weather, for sure, man. Isn't it strange every month at this time we get these crazy storms and winds and clouds, and isn't it getting obvious now every month? Okay. Hey, peace out.